Good morning. This is Karthikeyan Ramanathan, Senior Vice President of Zebu Share and Wealth Management Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss about one new unlisted stocks. So this stock is having a very good potential and then it can give a very good returns in future also. The company name is Reliance Retail. Let's see the company's analysis and company's function and entire thing. This company is having a nearly 10,644 stores across 6,700 towns in Pan India. The company is looking to expand their business in then Tier 3 and Tier 4 locations. And then at present the company is serving with the metro and urban areas. And then the potential of the company is the company is having various wings in terms of retail. First, the Reliance Trends clothing, Reliance Fresh food and groceries, Reliance Digital consumer electronics like TV sets, mobile tablets and washing machine, etc. Reliance Footprints, footwear, and then Reliance Market, a wholesale cash carry store claims for supporting a local Kinara shops, and then Reliance Jewels, jewelry, and then Agio, an e-commerce platform for clothing, and then the Reliance Mall is also involving in this Reliance retail wing. So the company is having a very good potential and then they spread their wings across the entire retail segments. Another one, the sales contribution wise, the company is having a very good market share. The fashion and retail is having around nearly 8%, and then the grocery shops of Reliance sales is occupying a 20% of their entire sales, and then consumer electronics is having nearly 28% of their total sale, and then petro retail is having a 10% of total sale market share, and then the connectivity oriented thing is having a 34% of weightage in their total sales. So that connectivity and then the grocery and the segment of consumer electronics, these are the things is occupied maximum market share of Reliance retail sales. And then the profit growth of that Reliance retail, this retail is having a EBITDA values, earning before interest and tax values. The financial year started from the financial year, they have started with 3,344 crores, and then the year on year they are giving some simultaneous growth and then reasonable growth in the recent trends for the last 5 years. From that started around nearly 21,000 crores in the year 2016. At the year of ending 2019, they have crossed almost nearly 1,30,566 crores in this total sale values in total revenue terms. And then the company's geographical presentation is oriented thing is mentioned here. The revenue is crossed around nearly 11 to 12,000 crores, and then earnings before interest and tax around nearly that 9,000 crores, and then EPS, earning per share of this company is almost 10. Profit after tax of this company is having almost nearly 5,000 plus crores up to the year end of March 20. The figures in financial ratios, the starter from that we have calculated in the year 2015. That 2016 their total revenue is 16,169 crores, is gradually increased up to that value of in 2021 they have around nearly 1,31,926 crores. The operation margin of this company is 5.3% in this year of 2015, and now it is increased around nearly 6.3%. The profit after tax is increased from the year from 2015 they have around nearly 2,272 crores, and the year 2021 they have ended up with the 4,586 crores. Net profit margin of this company from the year 2015 they have nearly 1.57. It started increasing, now they are floating around nearly 3.4%. The earning per share of this company in 2015 is 0.55 percentage. Now the earning per share is 8.92. Is 0.55 is not a percentage, is 0.55 rupees as a EPS value. Now in 2021 they have around nearly 8.92 per EPS value. And peer comparison of this to compare with their immediate competitor and direct competitor in this market is DMart. So the DMart is having a revenue of 6,457 crores in the year 2015. Now they hold nearly 24,143. To compare with Reliance, that Reliance is having more than 6 times better than DMart. So the direct competitor is 6 times lesser than Reliance at present. And then the profit after DMart is 1,100 crores. In Reliance is 4,586. So almost they are having nearly 4.3 times is better than DMart. So the company is capable to invest. The people who want to get a more return in future, the people can accumulate the stocks in Reliance Retail, and then the people who want to build their wealth in their future, they can start buying this Reliance Retail. The price growth is started from the year November 2020, which is around nearly 1,400. Now the price is floating around nearly 4,000. So within a 1 year, the stocks is multiplied into the 3.5 times to 4 times almost. So this is the enormous growth we are facing. In future trend, the Reliance growth retail will be giving a very good return to the futures. So at present, the stock is floating around nearly 4,000 values. So in future, in terms of sales and retail market contribution, the entire thing will be increasing probability is more than at current percent scenario. So the market will going to boom. So the market price also will going to boom in future. So the people who want to accumulate and who want to invest their fund in a right way, the people can prefer with the unlisted stocks of Reliance Retail. So if you want to invest in these stocks, please contact that description number which is given in that description of this video. You can contact directly, and then our representative will directly help you out to get the stocks in your Demat account. Thank you so much. Have a happy trading.